In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate and set up your custom email domain with Zoho CRM in Chrome. This process will help you streamline your email communications through Zoho's versatile platform, enhancing both your productivity and effectiveness in managing customer relations. First things first, open up your Chrome browser and navigate to the Zoho CRM login page. Enter your login credentials, taking care to verify the accuracy to prevent unnecessary delays. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll find yourself at the Zoho CRM homepage. In the top right corner, you should see a little wrench icon labeled as Setup. Go ahead and click on that to access the Setup menu, which is the control center for all your configurations and customizations. After accessing the Setup menu, your next step will be to navigate through the channels. Look for the Channels section, where you will select Email Settings. This is where you can manage all elements related to email communication within Zoho CRM. Click on Email Settings to proceed. Now, within the email settings, you're going to focus on setting up a custom email domain. This allows you to send emails directly from your business's domain through Zoho CRM, giving your messages a professional touch. Select Custom Email Domain from the options. This is an important step as it legitimizes your communications and increases the reliability of your emails reaching your contacts' inboxes. To proceed, it's necessary to verify your domain ownership. This process involves adding specific DNS records to your domain's settings. DNS records are like address books for the internet that direct the flow of data between servers. Your domain registration service, such as GoDaddy or Namecheap, will be where you enter these records. Instructions for the exact records you need to add will be provided by Zoho. Be sure to enter these carefully and check that they were saved and propagated. Once your domain ownership is verified, it's time to configure both SMTP and IMAP settings. SMTP, which stands for Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, and IMAP, or Internet Message Access Protocol, are the technologies that power sending and receiving emails. In the email settings section, you'll find options to enter these settings. You'll need details like your email server's address, port number, and login credentials. Carefully input these details and recheck them to avoid configuration errors. After everything is correctly configured, don't forget to save your settings. This ensures that all your hard work is not lost. With everything set up, it's essential to conduct a test by sending out an email through your newly configured custom domain. By doing this, you can confirm that everything works